This product first seminar has been conducted under the banner of Indian Podiatry Association, that to Andhra Telangana chapter, and we are very happy that this knowledge has been shared among the members, and this was a good beginning for Regina SIP, and also one of the good workshops which we have conducted. We are also happy for that. Now Indian Podiatry Association started by Dr. A.P.S. Suri sir, just for your information, those who are new here. And Dr. Suri sir has started this 10 years ago, and now we have around 15 chapters. And Andhra Telangana chapter we started in 2019. Right now we have around 60-65 members, which include general surgeons, plastic, vascular, podiatrists, and physicians also. Now orthopedicians, yes, of course, orthopedicians. Podiatry is incomplete without orthopedicians. So, happy that today we had this is like a post-COVID meet, we can say. Like after so many days, we are all patching up again for IPA. And IPA, sir, we have put a slogan like I prevent amputation. Indian Podiatry Association made it as I prevent amputation. I think Regina SIP will be definitely a part and parcel with our protocols and planning. Now coming to IPA Andhra Telangana chapter, we have planned like we'll be conducting workshops every month, and it will not be localized to Hyderabad alone. We want to plan workshops in all the different districts. Like doctor is from Medak, and we have doctors from Vanaparthi. So we have doctors from all the different districts. So our plan was to conduct workshops in all the different places, in all the 33 districts of Telangana, and each district we will choose a particular doctor who will be taking the responsibility of that district, and there we'll be conducting workshops for him as well as his patients. So in that way, we are just trying to bring some good awareness among the public. Like people now are coming and asking, do you have a laparoscopy for general surgeries? So now they should come and ask whether you have podiatry. You are using footwear. They should come and ask you are using VAC or something. They should not know. Now everybody is under impression like diabetic foot amputation. That negative thing is there. So we want to change it into positive through our workshops, through our camps, and such kind of seminars where all our doctors are sharing very good knowledge. So thank you everyone for joining us, and now just a welcome. So we are welcoming our new treasurer, board member, Dr. Sainath Reddy from Gajwel. He is the new treasurer of IPA Andhra Telangana chapter.
Already the national team has accepted. Very shortly we are going to communicate, and many of you know Dr. Sainath Reddy is really doing a great work in wound care. He has practice in 2-3 places. One is Gajwel, Siddipet, Hyderabad, also one of the leading hospital, Madhava Nursing Home he practice, and also at home, near home at Alwar. So it is really a privilege for us to have him in the board as a treasurer, new treasurer. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation.
Welcome, welcome.
Retrieval of product from dry shipper. Wear cryo gloves, cryo apron, cryo goggle before opening the dry shipper. Open the dry shipper and check for the required cryogenic temperature displaying in the data logger. Open the inner lid of the dry shipper and carefully lift the cryo tower. Note, care must be taken with respect to data logger cable. Take out the cryo cassette containing product from cryo tower. Insert empty cryo tower back into the dry shipper and close the inner and outer lid. Thawing of product. Place a 500 ml beaker inside the 37 degrees Celsius water bath in advance. Check for the label contents on the cryo cassette. Take out the product from cryo cassette. Verify the label contents. Partially immerse the cryo bag with pouch in the 37 degrees Celsius water bath. And swirl gently for 4 minutes. Remove the pouch . And thaw the cryo bag for better thawing. Revival. Aspirate 35 ml Plasma Light A in a syringe. Twist open the sampling port of cryo bag. And slowly add 35 ml Plasma Light A to the cryo bag using syringe. Gently mix for uniform suspension. and aspirate required quantity for administration.